How to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your Facebook Marketplace messages. Be sure that your Facebook and Messenger app was updated on your device. So you have to open up your Facebook on your device. After that, on the top you can see the marketplace option. So here you can place your order and send the message to them. So to delete your Facebook Marketplace message, you have to go to your Messenger, and top left, here on the top left there is a hamburger option. You have to go for that and click on the Marketplace option. So here you can see that they have replied to your message here. And to delete your Facebook Marketplace message, you have to long press on that message and go for the delete option. Go for the delete option. So here you can see that you have deleted the Facebook Marketplace message. Also go for another option and go for the delete, and you have to delete that. So that's the easiest process to delete your Facebook Marketplace messages. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.